Introduction: The Inverted Throne. Baal, Belial, and the manufacture of Christ. Let the false light fall. Let the spell be broken. What if the story of Jesus Christ wasn't what you were told? What if the figure called Christ, supposedly sent to save souls, was actually a spiritual decoy? A mask built over something much older, much darker, and much more clever? This book explores a possibility that might sound outrageous at first, but begins to make unsettling sense the deeper you look. That the version of Christ taught by churches and governments wasn't a divine gift, but a tool, a spell, a system, one that wasn't meant to free you, but to harvest you. The deception didn't start with guilt or sin. It started with our inextinguishable light being seen as a fuel source by soul-disconnected or soulless entities. The Bible calls Christ the light of the world. But what kind of light is that? Is it the inner light of your soul, the one connected to love, truth, and freedom? Or is it something else entirely? A counterfeit glow designed to look divine, but powered by something materially parasitic? That's the question this book dares to ask. And to answer it, we need to introduce two ancient forces who've been quietly shaping human belief for thousands of years. Baal and Belial, the real architects of religion.